I have been emphasizing from the beginning that students will not take the time to properly set up the power and ground, and it is really also important to do. You will notice those little jumpers there that connect two pins side by side, and in all cases we have power and ground on each side of the board. Now it's important also that you use short wires because they're clear and easy to trace. Notice the jumpers there, we have quite a few of them. We have 3 of them actually there, grounding 4 pins of the second IC. First is to organize the ICs in the proper order, and then to connect your power and ground as shown. Here's the picture after phase 2. As you can see, after phase 2 we've made all the connections to the external board. You can see the yellow and white wires that carry the outputs from the shift registers to the LEDs. You can see the switches that are connected to the JK flip-flops and are controlling OR gate there in the center. You can see the clock out coming in that blue wire and going into the third IC from the right. So if you connect, after doing power, if you connect all this, most of your connections are completed. We just have to add a few more wires to interconnect the ICs. The final wiring is in place, and we're now ready to power the circuit. As you can see, the wiring is neat and tidy, and you should be able to see where it all goes. I'll zoom in a little better. Okay, as you can see, the Knight Rider light oscillates back and forth, and it's covering a distance of 5 LEDs. In this, we will now change and add a 4th stage to the counter, and we will see that it will increase the number of LEDs in the oscillation. Okay, we've added a 4th stage. Can you see the change we made? Only 1 jumper and 1 wire moved. Now our light oscillates across the entire row of 8. It's actually a 9, but we don't have a 9th one, so it just has to go repeat. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.